In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Moodle, Lane Community College's learning management system. This video is intended for first-time students and individuals who are new and need to jump right in and get started using the system. I'll show you how to log into the platform, find your courses that you've enrolled in, take a course tour, find where to locate additional help when you need it, and update your user profile and preferences. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, but the same instructions apply if you're using Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Explorer. If you're using a mobile or tablet-based browser, you may find that some of the site content has been collapsed or rearranged to best fit your smaller screen size. Note that for this example, I'm using a mobile browser to view the site. A mobile-friendly app is also available for download and provides a quick way to check assignment deadlines and view materials. If you choose to download and use the Moodle app, just know that the app has several limitations and isn't always going to be sufficient for completing your assignments. Let's begin by entering classes.lanecc.edu into your browser's address bar. If you forget this address, links to Moodle are available on Lane Community College's main webpage. Click any of the login buttons located on the screen. Moodle will then prompt you to enter your Lane Community College identification or L number, followed by a password. Enter an L plus 8 digits, such as L00123456. Next, enter your password. This password is the same password used to log into MyLane, your college-provided Google account, and most other college systems. Enter the password and then click the Login button. If you don't remember your password and receive an invalid login error message, use the Forgotten Your Username or Password link provided at the bottom. Once logged in, Moodle will attempt to bring you to your dashboard page. If your dashboard does not display automatically, click on the My Courses link located next to your user profile image in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Your dashboard shows you all of the previous and current courses you have access to, as well as a calendar of upcoming activity deadlines, assignments, recent forum posts, and messages. You'll notice that a separate link is provided to access each individual class, and that Moodle uses the same course title and registration number found in the college's course catalog. While the college highly recommends that instructors use Moodle, it is not currently required. If you don't see your class listed, it's possible that the instructor isn't using Moodle, currently has the course hidden, or you haven't officially signed up for the class. If you have questions regarding the usage of Moodle, please contact your instructor as soon as possible. Let's proceed by clicking into a class so we can see what it might look like. The first time you visit your course, you'll be prompted to take a quick tour that will point out helpful course features such as where to find your user menu, Moodle private messages, system or course notifications, navigation drawer, site links, course activities, calendar, global search, course announcement, and how to access additional help. Let's end the tour for now. You can always re-watch a tour by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the Reset User Tour on this page link. Our next step is to make ourselves familiar with how the instructor has decided to organize the course. Some instructors prefer a weekly layout that shows you specific assignments due each week. By scrolling down the page, you can access the content for upcoming weeks. There might be instances where next week's materials are not fully accessible to you till you complete or get closer to the end of the week you're currently in. If you see the weeks listed but no activities, the course is likely set up to have each week's activities broken out into separate pages. The course homepage serves as a simplified table of contents with a summary of activity types. Click the title or date of the week to jump into the content for that week. If your instructor prefers to organize the class content using topics, the layout looks similar, but be careful to note assignment deadlines as some topics can span multiple weeks. Scrolling down the page allows you to access additional topics that the instructor has chosen to make visible. If you see a list of topics but no activities, simply click the topic title to jump to the content for that topic. For classes that contain a lot of resources, some instructors may choose to utilize collapsed topics or weeks. This accordion-type course navigation menu avoids the endless scrolling that large courses can often generate by breaking each section up into a series of buttons that can be expanded or collapsed as needed. Take a moment before assignments or activities are due to familiarize yourself with whatever organizational style your instructor has chosen for their class. Regardless of how the class is laid out, you should be able to locate the class syllabus, navigate to the resources you'll need, figure out when assignments are due, or gather information to create your own schedule if specific assignment dates haven't been entered into Moodle, and know the best way to get in touch with your instructor for help. Now that we're somewhat familiar with where to find things in the course, let's take a minute to customize our Moodle user profile so that other participants of the class get to know a little something about you. Let's just update our profile picture. If you're starting from the dashboard screen after you first log in, the Profile button link is under your username. Click Profile and then click Edit Profile under User Details. If you're inside of a course, the Edit Profile link is located in the upper right-hand menu. Click on your name or profile icon, select Profile, then click Edit Profile under User Details. You'll notice that some fields in your profile are locked. Changes such as your name or email address can only be made by logging into MyLane and updating your information there. Let's scroll down to your profile photo. Moodle will often have embedded help for various features. If you don't know what a setting means or does, click on the question mark icon or help link. The instructions provided within the embedded help tell us to drag and drop the profile photo we wish to use into the file upload box. If you're on a mobile device and/or want to use an image stored on your Google Drive, click the small add icon, choose an attachment stored locally, or select Google Drive, log in, and upload the file to use. Once you're satisfied with your profile photo, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the Update Profile button. That's it. Your classmates and instructor can see your profile picture while participating in the class. Now that you have that done, why not check out some other features and how-to videos? Additional assistance with Moodle, MyLane, Wi-Fi access, and other technology is available to you. Visit the student support website at lanecc.edu/shed or send us an email at shed@lanecc.edu.